warning, which is in effect from 5 p.m. this afternoon to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Impacts. Travel and commerce across the warning area are expected to be severely impacted by heavy snow and significant blowing and drifting snow late Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday. Heavy snow and blowing and drifting snow will make clearing of roads difficult Tuesday night into Wednesday. Conditions will improve late Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening as the snow diminishes and winds die down. Numerous event cancellations, including school closures, are expected, as well as flight delays and cancellations. Hazardous weather. Snow is expected to develop from south to north across the area very late this afternoon and this evening. The heaviest snow will fall between late Tuesday evening and daybreak Wednesday morning. 1 to 2 inch per hour snow rates can be expected during this time. Storm total accumulations of 10 to 14 inches can be expected from late Tuesday afternoon to Wednesday evening. North to northeast winds will increase into the 15 to 30 miles per hour range with higher gusts to 40 miles per hour Tuesday evening. These winds will continue into Wednesday morning before gradually diminishing. Considerable blowing and drifting snow is expected, producing blizzard conditions and visibilities down to near zero. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The following information concerns a winter storm.
Come on! Fucking 3 times, and it's only not even 4 a.m.